This is the second part of chapter 6, and today we are going to continue with the same exercise, that is exercise 6a, and we'll start from question number 7. So question number 7, find the value of 33% of rupees 50. So first we'll convert the percentage into fraction. So 33 by 100 of means multiplication, 50 rupees 50. So we can cancel 50 and 100. So what is remaining is 33 by 2. So if I divide 33 by 2, we'll have 16.5. Since we have to write the answer in rupees as mentioned in the question, so our answer will be rupees 16.50 or 16 rupees 50 paise. Next, question number 7, fourth part, 3 1 by 4% of 5 liter. So let us first convert this 3 1 by 4 into improper fraction. So 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13 by 4% of 5 liter. Now in the denominator we have 4 and here we have 5. So it will be difficult for us to cancel. So instead what we'll do is, instead of liter, we'll convert this into milliliter. So as we know that 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. So 5 liter equals to 5000 milliliter. So we can write this as 13 by 4 percentage means divided by 100 of 5000 milliliter, which is equals to 13 by 4 into 1 by 100 into 5000. So we can cancel this 100 and from this 5000 2 zeros will get cancelled. So here you can write 13 into 50, that is 650 divided by 4. So if I divide 650 by 4, we'll have 162.5, and here since we have converted the liter into milliliter, so the unit will be milliliter. So our answer is 162.5 milliliter. Next, question number 8. What percent of rupees 9 is rupees 5? See, what percent? That means we don't know the rate of percentage. So we'll assume that the percentage be x percent, right? So according to the question, we will write the equation, that is x percent of rupees 9 is means equal to rupees 5. So x percent means x by 100 of means into or multiplication 9 equals to 5. Now to find the value of x, what we'll do is we'll take this 100 to the right hand side. It will become 5 multiplied by 100, and this multiplication into 9 will go to the right hand side, so it will become division. So x is equal to 5 into 100 by 9, that is 500 by 9. That will give you the answer as 55, 5 by 9 percentage. Next, what percent of 50 kg is 65 kg? Again, we don't know the percentage, so let the percentage be x. So according to the question, x percent of 50 kg is equals to 65 kg. So again, we'll convert the percentage into fraction, that is x by 100 into 50 is equals to 65. So the value of x is equals to, here I have to write x, which I have not written. You can note it down. X is equals to 65 into 100 divided by 50. So 50 and 100 can get cancelled, that is 50 ones are 50, 50 twos are 100. So 65 into 2 is 130%. Moving on to the next question, question number 9. Number 1. If 8% of a number is 24, find the number. So see, 8% of a number is 24, we don't know the number. So let the number be x. Now according to the question, we will set the equation, that is 8% of x is equal to 24. So we can write it as 8 by 100 into x is equals to 24. So here x is equals to, take this 100 to the right hand side, it will become multiplication, and 8, bringing this 8 to the right hand side, it will come in the division form. So x is equals to 24 into 100 divided by 8, and we can cancel 8 and 24. So we'll have 3 into 100, which is equals to 300. Next, number 3. If 16 2/3% of a number is 1, find the number. So again, we don't know the number, so let the number be x. Now 16 3/2, that is 16 3s are 18 plus 2 is 20/3%. So we can write it as 20/3. Percent means divided by 100 of a number, that is into x, is equals to 1. So we can write it as 20/3 into 1/100 into x equals to 1. Now keeping the x on the left hand side, take all the numbers to the right hand side. So first 1, take this 3 to the right hand side, it will become 1 multiplied by 3. Again 100 will be taking to the right hand side, so it will become multiplication form, it will change into multiplication. So in the numerator we have 1 into 3 into 100, and in the denominator we only have 20. So bring this 20 down to the denominator on the right hand side. So now we have 1 into 3 into 100 by 20. This 20 and 100 can get cancelled. So we'll have 5 into 3 in the numerator, that is equals to 15 is my answer. Next, question number 10. That is increase 75 by 24%. So I have to increase 75 by how much? By 24%. So we can write it as 75. Now it is increase, that means plus. If it was mentioned as decrease, it will be minus. So 75 plus 24% of 75. Okay, so 75 will write it as it is, plus 24% of 75 is 18. Now add this to 75 plus 18, 93 is my answer. So when we increase 75 by 24%, we will get 93. Next, question number 12. What number when decreased by 8% becomes 345? So what number? That means we don't know the number. So let the number be x. So when the number is x, what we'll do? So according to the question, we will write the equation. That is x. It is said as decreased by 8%. So we will write minus. So x minus 8% of x, how much it becomes? Is equal to 345. Now x minus 8% means 8/100 into x, which is equals to 345. Now x, there is nothing in the denominator, that means it is x by 1 minus 8/100x. So here 1 is the denominator, taking the LCM as 100. So in the denominator we have 100. So in the numerator what will happen? 100 into x, that is 100x minus 8x is equals to 345. So 100 minus 8x is how much? 92x by 100 equals to 345. So keeping the x on the left hand side, we'll take the other terms to the right hand side. So 345, this 100 going to the right hand side, it will become multiplied, and this 92 coming to the right hand side, it will come in the division form. So x equals to 345 into 100 divided by 92. If I cancel this, my answer will be 375. Thus the value of x, or the number, is equals to 375. So this is all for this part, and we have completed our exercise. We have completed exercise 6A. So meet you in the next part. Thank you.